Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Pete with Auto Repair Tips. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the bell for notifications. In the description below, I'm gonna leave a link to my website where you can get some good deals on some tools. And there's also a form there to fill out. If you're working on a vehicle and you need some information on it, you fill out the form, shoot it to me, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Hey, in the comments below, let me know what your favorite kind of car is and what kind of repair videos you guys like. We're working on a 2012 Hyundai Sonata. The customer brought it in and she thought she had wheel bearing noise. She just left another mechanic shop and they replaced the bearing in it, and she was going down the road and she was still hearing roar and vibration in her rear end. So we got it on the lift here, and a common mistake a lot of people do is they don't never check the tires. And I'll try to get a good shot of it, but the tire is they're out around. And a good way to check it is if you put your hand on the tire flat and you move the tire, it should be nice and smooth. You should not feel any humps, divots, or anything like that. And this one happens to be on the back side of the inside of the tire, right here. If you can look and see, every so many inches is a big bump. So when you spin it fast and put your hand there, you can feel the lumps in the tire. Like I said, it's a common mistake. A lot of people make it. So we're going to put a tire on this car and she'll be good to go.